Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your reference right. Monitors or headphones must be calibrated, and you should set a comfortable listening level. Once done, route pink noise to the channel or bus you plan to EQ. Keep gain at unity so you only hear the noise. You insert a parametric EQ with all bands flat, then choose broad Q values around 0, 7 to 1, 0 to reveal large tonal problems before you fine-tune. This sets the foundation for accurate, repeatable adjustments. Next, you actively hunt problem frequencies. Switch to a narrow Q between 3 and 8 and boost a band while sweeping slowly. When a harsh or boomy peak appears, you've found it. Once identified, invert that boost to a cut of about 3 to 6 dB using a more moderate Q so the reduction sounds natural. After addressing resonances, apply low shelf or high shelf filters for broad tonal shaping, and make sure cuts and boosts stay modest to preserve musical balance and clarity. You finish by refining. Bypass the EQ to a /B test. Your adjustments should make the pink noise sound more neutral and even across the spectrum. Once satisfied alone, bring the track into the full mix and listen. Often you'll tweak by 0.5 to 2 dB so the element sits correctly. If the result sounds worse, troubleshoot by resetting the widest bands first, then reduce Q and gain increments. Make sure to trust repeated listening at the same level. That reveals real improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.